what's up, team? I hope you all had a great weekend. Yo, check this out. This is Great British Pound US dollar, and we are around the London session right now. This is when New York session started. This is where we are looking for an entry. Look what happened. We have this equal highs over here from the recent days. This is Monday, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, and these equal highs got violated during the London session today, and then many buyers got tricked in this position, and after that the market moved down pretty violently. This is what we see many times. So what we are going to do now is we watch what's happening until the New York session. We don't rush it. I mean, this could be a really nice setup, getting along around in this area and try to ride this thing to the top. This would be awesome. Another thing that we can do is, if these buyers got tricked and they have their stops somewhere around in this area or here, we can wait until the market will smack them all up before it turns against them, and yeah, then we can step into the game as soon as these buyers who got tricked over here getting stopped out somewhere around in this area, and then we have the best possible entry, and then we are on the right side of the market. Probably, if it takes off. Of course, if we lose, we lose, and that's not the game, but that's not our play. But if these stops get violated, we can search for an entry around in this stop out area to buy this thing and ride it to the top. If it will not drop below that, and if it keeps consolidating here in this area, I'm willing to buy during the New York session. And let's see, maybe we can get a really nice move over here, take some profits 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 over here, maybe let the rest of the position run. Why I put the targets like that? Look on a daily chart, we have some levels, like this is the 34,500 level. This is why I've marked this one. It's a significant level, psychological level. Then this one was the recent high of this candle over here of this day, and then we have the highest point over here from that day. Yeah, this is why I've marked them, because I got the feeling that the market is about to collect these targets. This is my objection, my perspective on the market. So I think the market wants to move higher. This is what I'm thinking about. But before it will do that, of course it will trick some traders who don't know what they're doing. So yeah, let's see. Let's not be on the side that don't know what to do. We wait for a pretty nice entry, good risk reward ratio, and yeah, step into the game when others getting stopped out. Let's see, be patient, wait for the move, and I wish you all an awesome trading day. Peace out.